Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to remove censor on PolyBuzz. So first of all, launch open PolyBuzz application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to remove the censor, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. In order to remove the censor, what you have to do is turn off the pure mode. So what you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings of PolyBuzz. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for pure mode. So what you have to do is toggle this button off right next to the option for pure mode. Now once you do that, you can see over here confirmation message will pop up. Simply tap on this option, confirm, that you can see on the screen. Now once you turn off the PolyBuzz, the censor will be removed and the images will no longer be blurred. So like this, you'll be able to remove the censor. So that is how you remove censor on PolyBuzz. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.